Brecon Flooring is designed to be installed as a floating floor with a click joint and its own integral underlay. Additional underlay should not be used. As for all floating floors, the subfloor needs to be sound, dry and flat. Any weaknesses, moisture or irregularities in the subfloor need to be attended to before installation. The relative humidity shouldn't exceed 70% for cement-based concrete or 11% wood moisture for wooden subfloors or joists. The floor should be level to within 3 mm over 2 meters. Once your centre line has been established, mark out the plank layout working from the centre line. If the last plank joint comes close to a wall, realign the whole layout by half a plank width. The Brecon click joint allows the planks to be laid one at a time by inserting the header joint and dropping the plank into position adjacent to the previous row. Then lifting the new row slightly and sliding the new plank sideways into the side joint of the previous row. Lay the planks by inserting the header joint until the full row is connected. Then starting from one end, lift the first plank slightly and click into the side joint of the previous row, working along the length of the row. The mineral resin composite core allows simple cuts to be performed by scoring the surface. It is important that your knife is sharp so it penetrates the top layer first time. This will avoid having to score the surface multiple times. Simply snap the plank along the scored line. Brecon planks can be cut using a standard wood saw. If you are cutting complex cuts, then a jigsaw or coping saw might be more applicable. When measuring a plank to fit around a door frame or architrave, place the plank directly on the plank nearest to the door frame or architrave. Then measure the distance from the plank edge to the object you are cutting round. Transfer these measurements to the plank. Once you have marked out all your measurements, then trace out the object and cut it from the plank. Once cut, the plank can be slotted into place. The stability of the product within normal room temperatures means that minimal expansion gaps are often possible.